Hey guys, this is Jude here from Minecraft Crafting, and I am going to be doing a Hunger Games episode from sg.lbsg.net. That's the server name, and we are just about to start now. I've been practicing this quite a lot, and I've basically won all my Hunger Games, and I know where all the chests are, so I'm planning to maybe win this. Okay, that's a pretty good start, guys. Pretty good. I think I can just put some boots on. Whoa, this is a extremely good start, guys. This is amazing. Okay, it'll just glitch. Sometimes it happens. It just repeats itself, the chest. And that was unbelievable, guys. That is the best chest that I've ever started with. That is amazing. So now I need to concentrate on finding some iron or another diamond so I can make that diamond sword. Or at least an iron sword. And let's just check what's in here. Hopefully there is a diamond or a diamond sword. I mean, iron. Break this quickly. Because you can break glass with iron piece, so I need that for the deathmatch, if I make it. Hopefully I will. So, yeah. Okay. Now, all I need right now is to find more chests. I think there should be some over. There's more. Yeah, there you go. It's in here. Ooh, got now 4 iron armor. You just quickly put that up because I don't really need that. I can now make an iron sword. So let's just grab some of that, some of those. Let's just grab some chops quickly. And just put in that. Oh, everything glitched. What? That is very weird, guys. This never happens. Whew. Now we gotta go look in these chests. Hopefully everything is in there. Because there was diamonds and everything. No. My word. Oh, yes. We did it, guys. We did it. Yay, now we got full iron armor. Okay. There's nothing in those chests. You can't open those up. So then let's just go back. Let's check. Get on here. There. Just check. Ooh. There's a chest. There's a nice chest hiding behind the corner over there. Okay. Oh gosh. Anthony's on a killing spree. Whoa. Okay, so what's in here? Anything? Okay, that chest's been taken. Okay. Let's try find someone. Or hopefully, let's try get. Ooh, all the chests. Okay, let's just go to the middle. That's the most important part when the chests have been refilled. Let's just check what's in here. Okay, there's nothing. Here. Nothing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't care about those chests. I just really need to get to the middle. Hopefully there's no one else in the middle here. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay, there's VIP plus. So let's just quickly make this iron sword just in case he comes. I don't want him to win because he'll probably beat me. He has a diamond axe, and I'll only have an iron axe. Oh, and now I can make that diamond sword. Okay. Yay. Oh, gosh. I need a... Oh, no. Please don't tell me that... Okay, there has to be... Okay, yes. Now I can make that nice diamond sword. That beautiful diamond sword. Oh, gosh. What happened? What happened? What happened? Where are the diamonds? Where are the diamonds? Oh, my word, guys. Everything glitched away again. This is one of the most unluckiest Hunger Games ever created, guys. No matter what your friends tell you, this is proof that it is the most unluckiest Hunger Games ever made on Earth. This is your proof. Oh, yeah, okay. I'm getting luckier. Hopefully there's another diamond. There's nothing there. There'll probably be no other diamonds, so maybe we can go back to the house and create one. But that's kind of a waste. So I'm just going to empty out the things that I don't need. And let's just get to that. Some sticks. And let's go search for it again. Because if we can get it, then I'll be very happy and I'll probably win the Hunger Games. Okay. So, I've been trying so hard these past days to actually win it. It's pretty easy. Most of the time I've been winning it. But, oh gosh, there's a guy, okay? Get back. Go. Oh, okay, there's another guy. Okay, let's see if I can hit him. He might not be looking. Yes, he won't be looking. Ooh, there you go. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. Gosh, I'm gonna die. No. Oh gosh, guys. That was pretty fun. That was good. Oh gosh. But thanks guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.